This is Dr. Akilah, and today I'm going to do a video presentation on 10 foods that resemble the body parts they're good for. Finding it difficult to remember which health foods benefit which part of the body? Don't worry. There are some healthy foods that actually resemble the body parts it's good for. Just like humans, the foods we consume come in various shapes, colors, and sizes. When we consume food, rarely do we think about the body parts they are good for. Scientists have proved that some foods have a link with body parts they resemble. This resemblance reveals a very interesting aspect of human life and plant form. Research indicates that these foods provide a remedy for ailments that affect the body parts they resemble. There's a host of foods that look like body parts they help, but here is my list of 10 foods that mirror the body parts they provide nutrients for. Keep in mind that these healthy foods are beneficial to the entire body, but this list is a fun reminder of what to eat to target specific areas. Please note that it's important to buy organic and/or non-GMO foods from this list. Let's start with the carrot and the eye. A sliced carrot resembles the pupil and iris of our eyes. According to science, eating carrots greatly enhances blood flow to the eyes. Carrots get their orange color from a plant chemical called beta-carotene, which reduces the risk of developing cataracts. The chemical also protects against macular degeneration, which is an age-related sight problem that affects 1 in 4 individuals over the age of 65. Number 2, tomato and heart. Tomatoes and hearts don't just resemble one another because of their color. When you slice open a tomato, you will find that the inside has chambers that resemble the chambers inside the heart. Studies have found that because of the lycopene in tomatoes, there is a reduced risk of heart disease in men and women who eat them. They are also high in vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, and natural sodium. Number 3, grapes and alveoli. Grapes resemble the alveoli of the lungs. The lungs contain tubular branches called bronchi. The bronchi contains even smaller branches called bronchioles. The bronchioles eventually end in clusters of microscopic air sacs called alveoli. These structures allow oxygen to pass from the lungs to the bloodstream. A diet high in fresh, dark grapes has shown to reduce the risk of lung cancer and emphysema. Red grapes contain more antioxidants and healing benefits than white grapes. Grape seeds also reduce the severity of asthma triggered by allergies. Number 4, walnut and the brain. A walnut looks like a little brain. It has a left and right hemisphere, upper cerebrums, and lower cerebellums. Even the wrinkles and folds on the nuts are similar to those of the neocortex. The walnut is considered brain food because they are extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in brain functions and even lower depression. Scientists claim that the walnuts help in developing over 3 dozen neuron transmitters within the brain, enhancing the signaling and encouraging new messaging links between the brain cells. Walnuts are also great for warding off dementia. They also extract and break down the protein-based plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. Number 5, kidney beans and the kidneys. This one is a given. Kidney beans look like, you guessed it, the kidneys. Kidney beans actually heal and help maintain kidney function and are shaped exactly like the human kidneys, hence their name. Kidney beans provide a variety of minerals and vitamins which make them very beneficial for your health. They are a high source of soluble and insoluble fiber, protein, natural sodium, folate, magnesium, iron, vitamin B6, zinc, and niacin. People who suffer from kidney disease should avoid eating kidney beans. But if you have healthy kidneys and want to keep them that way, then incorporate kidney beans in your diet today. Number 6, Celery and Bones. Celery and bones don't just resemble one another, but they are also made with similar chemical compounds. Bones are 23% sodium, and so is celery. If you don't have enough natural sodium in your diet, the body pulls it from your bones, making them weak and brittle. These foods replenish the skeletal needs of the body. Celery is a great source of silicon, which is part of the molecular structure that gives bones their strength. So if you want strong bones, dump the cow's milk and drink a nice glass of celery juice. Number 7. Avocados and the uterus. Avocados are a good source of folic acid. Folate has been found to reduce the risk of cervical dysplasia, which is a precancerous condition that occurs in the uterus. Avocados are good for the health and functioning of the womb and cervix and look similar to these organs. Modern research shows that when a woman eats 2 avocados a week, it balances the hormones, sheds unwanted birth weight from the lower abdomen, and can even prevent cervical cancer. Remarkably, it takes exactly 9 months to grow an avocado from blossom to ripened fruit, just like a human baby. So ladies, it's guacamole time! Number 8. Sweet potatoes and the pancreas. Sweet potatoes resemble the pancreas and can actually balance the glycemic index of diabetics. The oblong sweet potato bears a strong resemblance to the pancreas and also promotes healthy functions in the organ. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which is a potent antioxidant that protects all tissues of the body, including the pancreas, from damage associated with cancer or aging. 9. Ginger and stomach. Ginger is commonly known as the cure-all when it comes to combating nausea, so it's interesting that this herb actually resembles the digestive organ it helps. Gingerol, which is the ingredient responsible for ginger's pungent scent and taste, is listed in the USDA database of phytochemicals as having the ability to prevent nausea and vomiting. Indians and Chinese have been using it for over 5,000 years for all digestive ailments from nausea to motion sickness. It also slows down the growth rate of bowel tumors. And last but not least, grapefruit and breast. Grapefruits look just like the mammary glands of the female and actually assist the health of the breast and the movement of lymph in and out of the breast. The similarities between this round citrus fruit and breast may be more than coincidental. Grapefruits contain substances called limonoids, which have been shown to inhibit the development of cancer in human breast cells. Grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which promotes inner and outer healing and lessens damage caused by free radical molecules. Warning: due to the influx of new medication created by Big Pharma, it is strongly advised to consult with your medical physician before consuming grapefruit. Harmful medications created by Big Pharma may have hazardous interactions when consuming grapefruits. If you are currently taking medications, please consult with your medical doctor. This concludes my presentation of the 10 foods that resemble the body parts they're good for. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. The link to the article associated with this video is listed in the description box. This is Dr. Akilah. Thanks for watching.